But I haven't eaten all day. It's so good.
Hi everybody, it's Chevy with Daily City Rec. It's my birthday and I'm going to show you how to make some fluffy pancakes. Some things you're going to be needing for these pancakes are flour, vanilla, chilled eggs, milk, sugar, some spray oil, and for toppings, some whipped cream. First thing we want to do is separate our egg whites and egg yolks. So you're only going to need 2 egg yolks, but you will be putting the 4 egg whites in here to mix. First, we're going to do the yolk mix. We're going to be needing 6 tablespoons of flour. After adding in the 6 tablespoons of flour, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, and now it's ready to mix. Now that we've got the yolks mixed, we're going to move on to the egg whites. We're going to mix it on low medium for 5 to 10 minutes. When the egg white starts forming bubbles, you can now add the 5 tablespoons of sugar. If you'd like to add extra flavor, you can add a little bit of vanilla. Your egg whites are done if you have a cream like this. And once you've gotten this cream, you can add it into the egg yolk mix. We're not gonna add all the mix in at once. We're just gonna put in about 1/3 in. After whisking in 1/3 of the egg white mix, you're gonna incorporate the rest of it into the yolk, but instead of mixing it with a whisk, you're gonna mix it with a flat spatula. Bring the fire to medium, and if you have a cooking spray, use it to coat the pan and use some nice molds for your pancake shapes. Gently add the mix into the mold. When the bottoms are brown enough and it's not too watery on top, you're ready to flip it. So mine turned out a little bouncier than I thought, but that just means it's gonna be nice and fluffy. Now let's try out these fluffy pancakes. These pancakes are soft, fluffy, and warm. You should try them out at home.